Hi, I'm Ken Patesy, President and Executive Director of Manufacturing Works, and I wanted to invite you to a showcase for manufacturers that we'll be holding on May 25th here at Aviator near the airport. The event is designed to focus on the two things that manufacturers care the most about these days: talent and technology. From a talent perspective, we will be inviting students from across the region, from high school, from community college, from career tech schools, from four-year colleges and universities. They'll be invited to meet with manufacturers and observe the latest in technologies in manufacturing. We will also have our manufacturing members here showing off their own technologies for the students as well as other manufacturers. Finally, we will have technology providers who will be setting up their technologies to show off, once again, for the benefits of the students as well as other manufacturers. While this event is targeted to help our manufacturing members, we are opening it up to the general manufacturing community. So if you are a manufacturer in the region, you're welcome to attend. The main event will be between 3 and 5 p.m., followed by networking from 5 to 7. And after the networking, I'm sure that many of our members will take advantage of this beautiful patio on the outside or the rooftop patio that isn't open today, but will be for our event. Beautiful views of the airport. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. So please join us. If you're a student interested in manufacturing, a manufacturer, or provider of technologies, we invite all of you to join us on May 25th. Thanks.